Carolina. Carolina. What are you doing? You drinking your bottle? You don't want to read the book anymore? What happened to reading the book? Look at the camera. Carolina. Carolina. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? You climbing up? You coming up? You coming up? Okay, you want to sit with me? You want to sit with Daddy? No, don't. You can't hurt the camera. It's Mommy.
We're in the movies, Carolina.
Say hello, Mommy. Hello.
We're in the movies.
Say hi. 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 Hi.
Give Mommy kisses.
Go give Mommy a kiss.
Give Mommy kisses.
No, give Mommy a kiss.
You always give Mommy kisses. She doesn't want to give kisses today.
No kiss for Mommy? Carolina? No. Give kiss. Give her kisses. Give Mommy a kiss.
Fuck her up. How about a high five?
High five. Good girl. Low five.
Low five.
You want to give me 5?
Low five. Alright.
Yay. Yay. High five. Yay. Thirsty bite.
And now Chris Coast is going to have to come into the game to catch because Ruiz was just limited for the pinch hitter Dobbs. Coast will bat.
I wanted you to sit.
And
all right,
just
come
like
here.
that, Philadelphia's down to one bench player, Miguel Cairo.
Look at Daddy.
Hi. Hi.
Chris Coast.
Hi, Carolina.
Ball one.
Say hi, Daddy.
Coast has had a lot of work because of the injury.
Mommy kisses.
Coast has gotten a lot of work, so his swing should
No.
be tuned and ready to go. He can
Aw, good girl.
Yay.
Yay.
strike one.
Good movement on this pitch.
Yay.
He's diving out. Again, Green's going to run that fastball. It'll sink in on your hand.
It's your eyeball.
Right-handed hitter, the slider goes
It's your
right.
eyes.
Say eyes.
Approach it.
Eyes.
Got to think about hitting
Say
it
eyes.
field, whether fastball or slider.
Say mouth.
Carolina's
Mouth.
Yeah.
Mouth. Good girl.
Good girl.
We can't see you though on the camera.
No, I know.
Turn around. Carolina.
Daddy.
Winning run at second, 2 out.
What are you, camera shy? All of a sudden?
On Chris Coast.
Show Daddy where your mouth is.
Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes?
3-1.
There they are. Good girl.
Good girl, Carolina.
Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Okay, we see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Carolina. Wave hi. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say hi. Wave. Oh, you just did it. Come on. Carolina. Carolina. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi. What's the matter? Huh? Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. No. No.
She's camera shy. Camera shy? You silly girl.
Carolina, are you watching baseball?
Mama. She said, Mama, be quiet.
Are you blowing me kisses? Blow kisses. What you doing, silly?
She thought she was drinking from it.
Just diving out of the zone. That's the great movement that Sean Green has with his fastball.
Okay, Mommy has to go.
They're not going inside at all.
I'm gonna eat out. You silly.
Is taking it as far as he can.
You silly girl. Don't push. No pushing. What's the matter? You want me to get away?
On the ninth walk handed to Philadelphia in this game by the Mets pitcher.
Why do you think we're getting frustrated? You think it's funny?
We'll be back.
Yeah.
Thanks.
The winner, Green Numbers are now 0-2. Back to wrap up.
What's yours? What's yours?
This area is yours?
Mine. Mine.
Is that yours? Is that your butt?
No, but
Fox Foundation
Is that your little butt?
research. It funds results by finding the science that will lead to breakthrough treatment.
This team progress is right here.
The Michael J. Fox Foundation and Fox.
that's your mommy. That's right.
Because it takes a major
That's your mommy.
Please go to michaeljfox.org.
You got water on the couch. Water.
10 are coming to South Florida, and Fox 29
Alright,
has
I
your
have to
ticket
go.
to see them live. Watch
Mommy's gonna go.
10 o'clock news starting Monday. Look for the cue to call.
No.
The 10th caller wins a pair of tickets.
We're gonna go.
Top 10
Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
grand prize.
Bye. Blow kisses.
Bye.
This is your chance
Carolina.
to see the top 10 idols
Blow
live
kisses.
starting Monday on Fox 29's NFL.
Okay, bye-bye.
See the top
Bye.
10
Wait.
idols live.
Let's put
Tickets
the hat on your head.
Sunday night at 10 a.m. through ticket.
You look like Daddy.
and more for free.
You look like Daddy.